I'm in Allepy day 2 today. So yesterday I visited a beach and I was explored about the beach. I explored the beach of Allepy, which is very beautiful. And today day 2 I am exploring Allepy boat tourism. So which is a very famous boat tourism. There's a boat houses are available in Allepy. So you can travel one destination to other destination in these boat houses, and you can come and visit to have some relaxation, or you can have some get together, you can have some meetings in these boat houses, so where you can stay with family also. For a vacation also you can come, so which is one of the beautiful boat houses are available in Allepy. So let's go and explore into this Allepy boat house. Hey guys, this is Suman here. Today I'm in Allepy. Just I'm exploring Allepy for just couple of days. I'll be staying here. So today I'm at the boat house point in Allepy. There are various boat house points in Allepy. So I just came here today to explore this boat houses. So you can see the beautiful view of boat houses. There's a boat house is moving. So the housing, moving boat house. But you can see there is a spot where the boats are moving. It's a boat house. So the houses are built in the boat, and it will be traveling, and it will be moving in the water for some kilometers, and you can stay one night, 2 night, 3 nights. There will be a package, right? So this is a beautiful spot which is located in Allepy. Allepy is known for that. Allepy is known for boat houses. This is one of the point, and you can see here, right? So this is a waiting point actually, right? So let me explore more about the boats. I'll show you about boat, how look inside, outside, and tariff details and all. Right, this is a part of Kerala tourism. Before we get into the boat house, so you can see here there is a house boat booking office and tourist information center. Right, you can look at here. So this is a house boat booking office. It's a tourist information center. Right, you can see 1 bedroom to 10 bedroom luxury house boats are available, and Shikara motor boat, daily sharing house boat, and rooms with a kitchen facility. These are the facilities are available in this house boats. You can see this. Yes. So now it is more visible. You can see. Yeah. House boat booking office, tourist information center. Right, there are 1 bedroom to 10 bedroom luxury house boat, Shikar boat, motor boat, daily sharing boats, and room with a kitchen facility. The kitchen also included in the boat. Right. So now let me explore the boat. I'll show you the boat. Stay tuned and stay connected. Let's see, this is the boat parked. This is a parking place actually. So this is a parking area for boats. So this boat is under maintenance, so they are doing some maintenance work, doing painting and other works. Let's see, this is how it looks like. So let me enter inside and explore this boat. Yes, I am just entering. So let me explore the boat. You can see the boat house. I'll show you the boat house. Just see, this is inside the boat house. So this is a bedroom inside the boat house, and so you can see this is a washroom inside the boat house. This is beautifully designed, so you can stay here 1 day, 2 day, or maybe 3 days, or 2 nights, 3 nights, including a dressing table, dressing area. So this is a washroom. Right, this is a bedroom, and we can go upstairs also. So I'll show you. And this is another bedroom, second bedroom, well furnished, like a wash basin. So this is another bedroom. This boat house is having, this is a triple bedroom. This is a third bedroom I am showing you. This is a third bedroom. And then we have a kitchen. Yes, so this is a kitchen. The kitchen inside the boat house. So you can stay 2 days, 3 days, 2 nights and 3 nights. The spacious area, and then you can see outside from here. This is a wash area. This all inside boat house. You can see this kitchen. It's beautifully designed. So you can travel in this boat for 2 to 3 days. So then you can enjoy with your family or friends. So let's go to first floor of this boat. Let me explore first floor. Wow, it's beautiful. This is the top of the boat. So at the entrance we have waiting area, then 3 bedrooms and including kitchen. So this is a dining area. There's a television, wash basin. Right, it's a dining area. So this is all about this boat house. This is a 3 bedroom with a kitchen included, and at the top the dining area is there. So now let's decide and talk about the price. We'll ask the boat owner what is the price now. This is a view from back side of the boat, right? You can see a lot of boats are roaming around here. So this is a boat house part in Allepy. You can see here this is a parking place for all the boats. There are so many boats are parked here now. So since now COVID has gone, so now the tourism has picked up. So now so many boats are on the parking area. So it's like restarted the tourism, right? So these boat journeys, like the boat house services are resumed again in Allepy in full swing. So you can see so many boats are parked at the parking place. So right, So you can come with your family, you can come as a bachelor, and the new couples also can plan for their honeymoons here. Right, the best time is to come is in winter or monsoon. Monsoon is better. Monsoon is better so that you can enjoy the rains of Kerala. Then try to avoid weekends, Saturdays and Sundays, because the price of the boat house may vary. So it's a peak time. Saturday, Sunday the price may be high. Right, so this is a parking area, full parking area. So many boat houses are parked here. Lily Darling, there is a boat name. You can see Royal Cruise Ramada Allepy. There is Hotel Ramada here. So you can see there is a Hotel Ramada one side, right, and the other side is this parking boat houses, parking for boat houses, and from here it starts. This is Hotel Ramada. See, this is a government a prepaid counter and tourism police check post. So you can come here and make your reservation. So once you reach here, you can reach this DTPC office. This is a Kerala government tourism information and houseboat booking counter. So this is the entrance. So this is most valid information for you, right? So this is a District Tourism Promotional Council, DTPC Allepy, Kerala government tourist information and houseboating counter. So you can come here and inquire or book your reservation through this. So this is like a boat stop. So you can catch a boat and you can go to next station. So like, you know, so many places like there's a bus stop, railway station. So like that, this is a boat stop. So one station to other station you can travel.
We can go from
Allepy to Kottayam we can go from this boat station to the Allepy boat station to Kottayam boat station. So like that, so many multiple stops and small stations we can travel in this boat through boat stations. Yes, I am just entering. So let me explore the boat. You can see the boat house. I'll show you the boat house. This is a view from back side of the boat, right? You can see a lot of boats are roaming around here. So this is a boat house part in Allepy.